Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're making a super easy tomato beef and potato stew. Seriously, this recipe is so simple but tastes amazing. You can swap veggies or meat however you like. Throw in some shrimp or beef brisket if you want. Let's start with the tomatoes. Cut a little X at the bottom so peeling is a breeze later. If you want extra tomato flavor, canned tomatoes work great too. Drop the fresh ones in a bowl, pour in some hot water, and let them sit for a minute. Then peel off the skins. Careful, they're slippery. Chop them however you like, big chunks or small pieces. It's all good. Once cooked, they'll turn into a nice, saucy base for the stew. Now let's handle the potatoes. Slice them thick, then into strips, and finally dice into cubes. Whatever's easiest. No need to wash them. The starch helps thicken the sauce later. Next, blanch the beef slices in boiling water until the color changes. Then take them out. Grab another pan. Any kind works. Add some oil. You can throw in onions, ginger, or garlic if you like, but I'm skipping them today. And it's still super tasty. Turn the heat to medium-high and add the chopped tomatoes. Stir fry until they start releasing juice. Then season with 2 spoons soy sauce, 2 spoons oyster sauce, and a little rosemary. Give it a quick taste and adjust if needed. Add the diced potatoes and mix them in with the tomatoes. Pour in about half a bowl of water. Cover it and let it simmer on medium-low for 10 minutes. Then put the beef back in. Spread it out so every slice touches the sauce. Cook for another 5 minutes. And that's it, 15 minutes total simmering. The potatoes are soft, the beef is tender, and the tomato flavor is rich. This sauce is perfect over rice. It smells incredible, tastes amazing, and is super comforting. Give it a try. And don't forget to drop your photos in the comments.